take a scale, place it in the middle and draw a straight line till the end of the page. Now on the red line we'll write the heading, capital A, N, I, M, A, L, S. Animals. And here young ones. Y capital, O, U, N, G. Young. One finger space. Again O capital, N, E, S. Animals and young ones. We will be writing 8 names, so we shall number them first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Without leaving a line. Let's start with the first animal name. Sheep. S capital, small h, E, E again, P. Sheep. Next. Cat. C capital, small a, T. Cat. Next. Horse. H capital, small o, R, S, E. Horse. Next. D capital, small u, C, K. Duck. Next. Elephant. E capital, L, E, P, H, A, N, T. Elephant. Next. Capital, small I, O, N. Lion. Next. G capital, O, A, T. Goat. Next. D capital, O, G. Dog. Now let's write the young ones. Young one of sheep is lamb. So L capital, small a, M, B. Lamb. Next, young one of cat is called kitten. K capital, I, T, T, E, N. Kitten. One of horse is called foal. F capital, O, A, L. Foal. Young one of duck is D capital, small U, C, K, L, I, N, G. duckling. Next is elephant. Young one of elephant, calf. C capital A L F, calf. Next, lion. Cub. C capital small U B, cub. Young one of goat is kid. K capital small I D, kid. And the last one is dog. Young one of dog is pup. P capital U P, pup. Now kids, let's repeat them once again. S H E E P, sheep. Young one of sheep, lamb. L A M B, lamb. Next, C A T, cat. Young one of cat, K I T T E N, kitten. Horse. H O R S E, horse. F O A L, foal. Next, D U C K, duck. D U C K L I N G, duckling. Next, E L E P H A N T, elephant. C A L F, calf. Next, L I O N, lion. Young one, C U B, cub. Next, G O A T, goat. K I D, kid. And the last one is D O G, dog. Young one of dog, pup. P U P, pup. Do revise all these 8 animals' name with their young ones and also learn the spellings by heart.